No me vayan a juzgar que greñuda estoy. And my freaking hands are dry as hell because of how much I wash them. Can you guys relate? Well, I gotta put on some lotion. Today, in today's video, it's not gonna be a hot mess, I promise. Okay, we're gonna look a little bit more put together. I have my, actually this is like a waitress shirt. Like a black collared shirt, you know, a professional vibe here. So I recently received a package. Hold on, I'm still putting lotion. I received a package from Morphe and they sent over an eyeshadow palette here. It's the Morphe 18T palette. And if you guys are into really nude shades, very neutral shades, then you guys are definitely gonna like this palette here. I got lotion all over it, you guys. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. And you open it up. Hold on, why is it not focusing? Focus, bitch. So here is the eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I did already swatch it on my Instagram stories. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, that's going to be linked down below in my description box. And I also just received a P.O. box, so if you guys want to send anything, no pressure. You guys can send over whatever you guys want. Do you guys want my Cash App? Kidding. I seen a picture of Selena Gomez's makeup and she always looks really pretty, but she just really rocks the smoky eye, and I wanted to do something very like a very classic glam look. If you guys want to see me play around with this Morphe palette, also they sent over this liquid liner. I don't know if I'm going to use that. I don't think so because I have some really big eyelashes that they also sent over. These here are in the style YASS Queen. Yes, I can't say that right. Like, yeah. No, yeah, yes. Yes, queen. Did I say that right? It sounded pretty good. Okay, I also received these eyelashes, which I think these are very statement lashes, so I don't think I need the eyeliner, but let me fix my hair. I have this green hair tie because I did a green eyeshadow look for my Instagram earlier, and bien greñuda que quede, you know. Look how cute we look. Okay. Anyway, I also have this lip gloss, I believe. It's a lip gloss or lipstick? I hope it's not a lipstick. It's a lip gloss, thankfully. Because if this was a lipstick, I don't think I could rock the shade. This gloss is in the shade Chill. Chill or Chilly? No, it's Chill. Chill. I wear glasses, you guys, and I just... Well, I don't wear glasses. That's a problem. I also have a lip liner here that is in the shade Bar. And you can use these for eyeliner, I think, because I do sometimes. You guys have seen me use it as an eyeliner, I think, in one of my last Morphe palette reviews. What video was that? Anyway, guys, these are the products that I received in this little PR box, and I just want to share with you guys how I'm going to use them, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I transform into Selena Gomez. Just kidding. Let's go ahead and jump into this video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
One thing that I don't like about Morphe eyeshadow palettes is the fact that the names are not on the palette. They're on the little, what do you call it? This little plastic thing. And I end up losing these, or it's just really annoying to have to, you know, look for it every time. So hopefully they work on that. But anyway, I want to apply, I already applied my concealer onto my my eyelid just as a base. And I'm going to be taking, there's not really a, I want to do everything matte. So I'm going to be dipping into the color Full Disclosure. Full Disclosure looks like this here. That's the lightest one in the palette, actually. Well, yeah, it's, the other ones are a little bit more pinky. So I'm going to be applying this right underneath the eyebrow, just like this. Her eyeshadow at the top is very minimal, like on top of the crease area. So that's what we're going to try to do. By the way, I did do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys get a chance to check it out because that video is over there crying right now because it only has under 100 views. You know what though? Like I filmed that within like less than an hour, and I edited that video within less than an hour. Like I did everything within the same night, but really like that's how fast I do my eyebrows. Like of course I was like talking a lot because I have to explain like step by step. Okay, well anyways. I'm not here to talk about eyebrows. We're here to talk about this palette. For the next color, I'm going to be going into, hopefully this is a little bit visible next to this other one that I used. I'm going to go into this one. I don't know what this one's called. Let me look for the paper. You see how annoying this is? Third row. Okay, so this one's called On the Reel. Yes, On the Reel. This is really annoying. So I'm going to be going into, oh shit. That shit pigmented. I was not expecting that weird fucking blabbing my mouth. It looked light. Was that the color I was gonna get? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the crease area and I'm gonna start to blend it upwards because I do want to make it a little bit less pigmented, because if I just place it and pack it on like I did in the beginning, it's gonna be really strong and her eyeshadow's not really like, you know, bold on top of the crease. So dipping in there again, I'm gonna go into this area and work it upwards. Whenever I do my eyeshadow, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I always like to take it out this way and kind of like wing it out. That's not the style that she has on. Well, I can't really see because her hair is kind of covering it, so we're just gonna assume that she does her makeup like me. Or her makeup artist does it. Because she rich, you know? The next shade that I'm seeing in her picture is like a brown, but it kind of has like a little tint of plum. So I'm going to go into, let me see, I need to find the right brush. Okay. Is this the right brush? I don't know, but we gonna try. I'm going to go into this shade right here. Hopefully it's the same as what she has on, but if it's not, you know what, Tracy gonna work some magic today. So we're gonna go in here. By the way, this is a Sigma E60 brush, and I'm just packing it onto the eyelid. So I don't know how I feel about this so far. I almost think that I need to darken it up a little bit more. I'm going to go into the darkest shade from the palette. That's this dark brown right here. This one is called Exhibitionist. And I'm going to just go into this outer part. I'm going to actually pack it on because I don't want to blend. I'm going to pack it on right there. Okay, we'll blend in a little bit, but I just kind of want to focus it out here and in here. Okay. And now I'm going to go back into, I don't know what color I want to go. Yeah, I'm going to go back into the shade right here that I used at the crease. And I'm going to just kind of blend out these edges right here. And on her waterline, it doesn't look like she's wearing black eyeliner. I'm going to put this brown pencil onto my waterline called Bar. This is the pencil that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I have not applied it to my lips yet, so before we do apply it to the lips, I'm going to put it on the eyes. My boyfriend's talking about going paintballing this summer. I doubt we're going to freaking be leaving our house. I like that. Okay. At the bottom, it looks like she does have it really smoked out, and I'm going to take that dark, actually, yeah, I'm going to take that dark brown shadow that I used, Exhibitionist, and I'm just going to be placing it right underneath the eye right here. Look, when I smile, I'm starting to get little arrugas right there. Oh my god. Okay, what do you guys think so far? Well, let me clean it up and then I'll ask you guys. Ooh, that looks, I like it. I really, really like it. I'm gonna kind of pack on a little bit more in there and a little bit more in here. And now I'm gonna go ahead, do the other eye off of camera, apply the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and show you guys the rest of the products from what I was sent. So, BRB. Alrighty, I'm back and I'm like a whole new woman. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on these eyelashes. These are really dramatic, so of course this is gonna change up the look that Selena Gomez has in that picture. It's not gonna look like that because of the eyelashes. Like, lashes really do make the biggest difference in makeup. So this is gonna look from like going really subtle to kind of like being a little bit too full-on glam, you know? So, I'm noticing that the under eye area is kind of really, it's a little bit too bold compared to what Selena Gomez has. So I'm going to soften it up by using a lighter color. I think I'm going to go into back into this color right here that I originally used at the brow bone. And with that color, I'm going to go right underneath that brown. See if it does anything. I kind of just want to soften up that brown a little bit. I don't know. I feel like that did something to it. What do you guys think? Does it look different? I'm waiting for my eyelashes to get a little bit tacky. Again, I wanted to mention that in Selena Gomez's picture, her eyelashes, it looks like she has very, like, I think they're her eyelashes, but her eyelashes are pretty much curled up, and my eyelashes just don't stay curled, so that's just unfortunate. Do any of you guys have that issue? I've thought about getting them perm pressed. You know how some people get them like pressed to like keep the curl? That's what I want to do because I have pretty long eyelashes. I'm pretty happy with the length, but it just sucks that they don't stay curled, so. Whoa, these eyelashes. These are so pretty. So now I'm gonna kind of pinch them together with my eyelashes so that they kind of stick together and see that? Okay. Oh, wow. These are pretty. Oh, these are gonna be my new favorite eyelashes. You guys are probably gonna see these in all of my tutorials for the next 20 times until I can't use these anymore. One of my eyelashes, this one right here, is still kind of drying down, but what do you guys think of these? These are so pretty. Like, they're dramatic, of course, but they're just like flirty. I love them. So cute. Okay, anyway, let's move on. I'm gonna apply the Morphe bar pencil, and I already used it at my waterline. I'll just sharpen it and like disinfect it by burning it. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just very like OCD and like a big germaphobe that I don't want to use something that goes onto my lips, on my eyes, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use this lip liner. Originally, I was gonna do a red lip, but I'm not feeling it. I want to do something like Selena Gomez because we're trying to be sisters, you know? Whoa, this is really deep. But look how that just glides on. I like that. We have the lips done. Now I'm going to move on to the gloss. This here is the Chill Gloss. And hopefully this kind of goes together because this gloss is actually pretty light. I'm going to be looking like a chola over here. Okay. I like how it's kind of like making the lip liner blend. Very quickly, I'm going to do my hair off of camera and just show you guys the finished look on how I would put this together so that we can look like Selena Gomez. BRB. Okay, I'm back, and originally I was going to be doing like the same hairstyle that she has in the picture, but you know, we mixed it up with a little bit of Ariana Grande in here. My next video is actually going to be a review on this new ponytail that I just got. I hope you guys are ready for the video, and I also have another hairpiece that I want to share with you guys, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you're notified of my next video, and let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. Are you guys all for it, or is it too much? I think it's just the eyelashes that don't make it look like Selena Gomez's makeup, but you know what? It's an inspired makeup look. I did not try to replicate. Yes, I did try. I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve these smoky eyes along with these lips here because I really like the pairing of this. I was kind of skeptical about trying this lip gloss because it's really light. You have to use like a darker lip liner, especially if you're like somebody with like a deeper complexion like me. Not that I'm super deep, but I am morenita. It might not look like it with these lights, but I am. And I just can't wear nudes like this. And it just looks really cute paired with this lip liner. Again, that, what color was that? The color Barb, but I also like it in my eyes. Look at that. Se ve bonito. If you guys are interested in shopping Morphe or any of these products, I'll go ahead and link the product names down below. And also, I do have a discount code for you guys. It's GlamFam491. That is not an affiliate code. I do not get commission based off of you guys using the code. It's just to save you guys some money off of your purchase. And let me look here. I think it's $5 off of your purchase. So you're welcome. Stay safe. Stay hydrated because it's getting really hot up in here. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!